Fibersim supports the management and optimization of composite design, analysis, and manufacturing processes with increased product quality, process repeatability, and reduced cost. Through bidirectional exchange with analysis, Fibersim directly reads the composite zone design requirements and automatically generate layers and plies that meet the design and analysis requirements for the zones. When design change happens, Fibersim supports hybrid design methodologies to easily define reinforcement pad-up regions as overlay zones, which works in conjunction with existing zone-based design to significantly reduce time required to accommodate changes. Once the design is finished, various tools are available to help visualize and interrogate the design. Fibersim supports design for manufacturing for manual and automated deposition processes and helps to predict and solve manufacturing issues with required documentation and data output generated automatically. The individual plies can be published to Teamcenter to allow enterprise access of composite information in a PLM environment. The manufacturing engineers can perform composite manufacturing planning, scheduling, execution, and data analytics based on the Fibersim plies to benefit from the full composite digital thread.